Hi everyone, I'm Scottie, and I just bought a whole lot of Pentel brush pens to test. I've only been using black pens so far, so I wanted to challenge myself to use all these different types in one sketch. So what are they? 2 water brush pens, one with 2 drops of black ink, and one with plain water. 2 black Pentel colour brush pens. I thought they were different, but they seem exactly the same, both with a medium tip. A grey brush pen. Could I use this as a wash? Bright orange and sky blue. I'm really not sure about the colours as they're super bright, but I'm still really interested to see how they perform and if I can use water pens with them. Reference from pixels.com, and also add some background, some roses or something behind her. I've learned these particular Pentel brush pens are dye based. I'm going to add a light wash later, but I'm not sure how much it will bleed. These black pens work really well for me, as quick strokes have a dry brush effect, so that's really good when I want light lines. Adding a light grey wash ended up being a little bit tricky, as the black lines bled into the grey, making it a lot darker. I've tried fixing this with the plain water brush and a dry paintbrush, but I think I'll need to try some pigment ink because I heard those are water resistant. Now I didn't end up using the grey brush as it was quite a dark grey. The colours are really vibrant and easy to use, but probably not the colours I would use every time. Adding some plain water to the ink had a pretty nice effect though. So I'm still on the learning journey with these brush pens, but I really love them. Thanks for following me along the way, and I'll see you in the next one.